Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. Today we're in the Plaza de Triangular. It is a bit cooler at the moment. Not sure whether that's because we are in a built up area or what, but yeah, we've been a bit of shade. It's been a beautiful day today. Highest temp probably about 33 degrees. We've seen maybe higher, I'd say. Anyway, got Robin Hood over there. Recently had a refurb, haven't been in there for ages. Went in there for my birthday, bit unplanned, but had a great meal. Steak, the Robin Hood special steak. Gorgeous, guys, worth a try. Ice cream shop next door that used to be a pie shop, actually. Who remembers that?
I'll get all the pies, sir.
Cheeky sod. Bobby Beam next door, then above Bobby Beam is brand new bar, ex-Ulu. Head over to the Benidorm Enthusiasts channel to go give that a look. Before I forget, shout out to Paul Burns, I think it were. Yeah, I think it were Paul Burns. Sent me some money in PayPal. Shout out as well to Alison Doherty. As well, sent some money in PayPal, and just all in all, a general shout out to all my birthday wishes. Thanks, much appreciated. Got the fountain over in the background there, lights up at night. Just gonna try to show you the chicken feeder, which it kinda ain't working today. Yep, you are seeing it. There's a strip missing, so yeah, were it a good purchase for Benidorm? Try not to swear, but no, it wasn't a good purchase for Benidorm. Mad Mike there as well.
Hi guys.
Yeah, to say Benidorm made a mistake installing that is an understatement. There, of course, we have the crooked Benidorm town Christmas tree. Yeah, it really does not look straight. Oh, just show you over in the back there, just where my finger is. They're putting a new fast food restaurant in, Popeyes. American fast food restaurant. Does seem like there's a lot of American sort of takeaways coming to Benidorm in the surrounding area. I know last month when me and Mike went up to Carrefour, I was quite amazed at how many American places were up there. Taco Bell, Nando's, tons of your sort of American places. Bit far out to go if you are wanting a meal there. Pretty sure that you want to go for a meal, you ain't really going to want to go all the way up towards Carrefour way, but you never know, to be honest. Think the bus goes up there, they wouldn't quite regularly as well, so maybe worth a trip up there on a day.
We're 50 in it, Marcus.
Yeah, I think about that. It's like that restaurant does it. I haven't seen open for a while. Looks quite nice actually. Octopus. Like literally an octopus tentacle. Yeah. The Spanish don't half eat some weird foods. For others on the path, apparently not. Apparently this is also doubling up as the road. And the car park, yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, the Spanish tend to like some weird food. Octopus, chicken feet, and that's just half the stuff they like. Also, one thing that I do tend to not let anything go to waste. Like some of their stews quite often include a fair bit of meat and most of the stuff off the animal that's in the stew. So like, if they'd done a lamb stew, probably about 90% of what's on a lamb would have gone into that stew. Try not to make the video too gruesome. But eyeballs, brains, anything they think is tasty, they'll eat. Hotel Bristol there, like that bank in town, across from Town Hall. I imagine you get a good view when there's like fireworks shows going on up at Town Hall. Do have the beautiful Plymouth Villa Park just up in front of us as well. Smashing place that from what I've heard. Library as well. Benidorm Library. There's main town hall as well. Quite a nice building actually. Quite well designed. Yeah, pretty big actually.
What's place to hide?
Quite spacious area as well. Like, I'm surprised at how much stuff they can actually like fit up there. Especially when they do the Christmas event. They have like an ice rink up there, kids roller coaster, play park, inflatables. Anyway guys, gonna finish here. Think me and Dad's gonna head back now and be the first ones in our entire apartment to go swimming this year. Yeah, I think they are all waiting for us to try the pool. See you in the next one, guys. Love you all.